In this training, we're going to take a look at solution details inside of SmartSuite. So if that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. Inside of SmartSuite, we have the ability to add solution details to any solution that we create or any template that we've taken ownership of. Simply start by accessing that solution as I've done here. Here I am inside of an example recording equipment solution. In order to change the details, let's come up to the top here and click that drop-down arrow. This is where we had the ability to name the solution or rename the solution. And just below that, we have the option to change the color. Let's say I want to change the color to cherry red, 75%. I simply make that selection, and you see that this now has changed color for the solution. I also have the ability to change the solution icon. Maybe I want this to be tools, so I can search for tools, and here's a wrench and screwdriver. That looks pretty good, so I'll make that selection. As soon as I do that, you see that the icon for this particular solution has also changed. The last piece here is the solution guide. Inside the solution guide, as a solution manager, I can control access to the solution and modify its structure, which includes being able to change the guide. If you want to learn more about the solution guide, simply follow the links here. But for our example here, I will just click on the three dots and select Edit the Guide. Now I can go ahead and start typing here. This is the guide for this solution. When I am done, I go ahead and save here. Now anyone accessing this solution will be presented with that solution guide when they log in. Also note that if you want your guide to be more robust, you have some editing capability in terms of formatting here. Let's go back into Edit Guide, and by highlighting any text, I have the ability to change the color, highlight it, embolden the text, or underline. So a lot of options here in terms of how this is going to show up for your users when they access the guide. Again, once you're done with any changes, be sure to click Save, and your guide is now up to date. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.